Hi there. As you can see, it's been raining here. Actually, it's been raining and snowing all week, so I haven't been able to get out and make a video for you. But I thought for a change, I'd do a piece to camera. So, this week I am going to the dealer to get the classic service. That will be the 12-month service with the valve adjustment. So hopefully that all goes well. So that's just a little update for you. And if you'd like to see the man behind the box, I suggest you tune into the famous YouTuber Exeter Rider's YouTube channel on Sunday at 8 PM UK time, 9 PM European time, because I will be a guest on his live show and we will be doing a live face unboxing on that very live show. So if you'd like to pop over, again, that's on Sunday, 8 PM UK, 9 PM European time. I hope to see as many of you as possible over there, and the box will be coming off, and yeah, it should be great fun. So I hope to see you there. Take care, and I hope I can get out riding again soon and have another video for you. Cheers. Oh, bugger.